Have you ever imagined turning your backyard into the ultimate cozy gathering spot with nothing more than a beautiful fire pit and the perfect seating setup? What if your outdoor space could feel like a luxury retreat where family and friends never want to leave? Are you struggling to find seating ideas that look stylish but still feel warm and welcoming? Can a small backyard still create that magical campfire atmosphere everyone dreams about? What if budget-friendly fire pit seating could actually look modern and expensive? Have you noticed how the right seating arrangement completely changes the mood of outdoor entertaining? And what if today's ideas could inspire you to transform your backyard into your favorite place at home? Welcome you to Architecture Inspiration X, where we share the best ideas and tips for your outdoor and indoor living space. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos which we have planned after this video. How can circular fire pit seating create a more social atmosphere? One of the best ways to make outdoor entertaining feel warm and inviting is by using circular seating around the fire pit. This arrangement naturally encourages conversation because everyone can see each other comfortably. Whether you use Adirondack chairs, built-in benches, or outdoor sofas, the circle creates balance and harmony. It also allows the heat from the fire pit to spread evenly across the seating area. Adding cushions and blankets instantly makes the setup feel more luxurious and cozy. This idea works beautifully for both large patios and compact backyards. A circular setup transforms an ordinary outdoor space into a welcoming social hub. What kind of outdoor setup makes you feel the most relaxed and comfortable after a long day? Share your thoughts below and inspire others with your ideas. What are the best budget-friendly fire pit seating ideas? Creating a cozy fire pit area does not always require expensive furniture or designer pieces. Simple wooden benches can provide a rustic and charming look without stretching your budget. Gravel flooring combined with affordable chairs creates a stylish, modern atmosphere instantly. You can even repurpose old pallets into creative DIY seating arrangements. Outdoor cushions and throw pillows help inexpensive seating look polished and comfortable. String lights above the area can elevate the ambiance while keeping costs low. With smart choices, budget-friendly fire pit seating can still feel elegant and inviting. If you could redesign your outdoor space with any style, would you choose rustic, modern, minimalist, or cozy farmhouse vibes? Let everyone Why are built-in benches becoming so popular around fire pits? Built-in benches are becoming a favorite choice because they combine functionality with modern design. They maximize seating without making the area feel overcrowded or cluttered. Concrete, wood, or stone benches can create a clean and high-end outdoor aesthetic. Many homeowners love adding hidden storage underneath the benches for blankets and cushions. This seating style also works perfectly for smaller backyards where space matters. Adding soft pillows and warm lighting makes built-in seating feel incredibly inviting. These benches help create a permanent outdoor entertaining area that looks professionally designed. Which outdoor feature would instantly make your backyard feel more luxurious and enjoyable for guests? Can modern fire pit seating still feel warm and cozy? Many people think modern outdoor spaces feel too cold or minimal, but that is not true at all. Modern fire pit seating often uses clean lines, neutral colors, and sleek furniture for a sophisticated look. The secret to keeping the area cozy is layering textures like cushions, blankets, and rugs. Low-profile outdoor sectionals can create a comfortable lounge atmosphere around the fire. Warm lighting and natural materials help soften modern designs beautifully. A modern setup can feel both stylish and welcoming at the same time. The right balance between simplicity and comfort creates the perfect outdoor entertaining space. Do you prefer outdoor spaces that look ultra-modern or spaces that feel more natural and rustic? Tell us your favorite style. How do Adirondack chairs enhance fire pit areas? Adirondack chairs remain one of the most timeless and comfortable choices for fire pit seating. Their angled design encourages relaxation while enjoying the warmth of the fire. They work beautifully in lakeside, farmhouse, modern, and even minimalist outdoor spaces. Wooden versions create a rustic charm, while black or white finishes add a modern touch. These chairs are easy to arrange in both large and small seating layouts. Pairing them with side tables makes the setup even more practical for entertaining guests. Adirondack seating instantly creates that classic, cozy outdoor experience people love. What outdoor furniture piece do you think instantly creates a cozy and welcoming atmosphere? What seating works best for small backyard fire pit areas? Small backyards can still become stunning entertainment spaces with the right seating choices. Compact benches, folding chairs, and built-in seating help maximize available space efficiently. Using multifunctional furniture allows the area to stay organized and clutter-free. Round fire pits usually work best because they improve movement around tight spaces. Light-colored furniture can also make a smaller yard feel more open and airy. Vertical decor, like hanging lights or plants, adds style without taking up floor space. A small backyard can feel just as cozy and beautiful as a large outdoor retreat. What is the biggest challenge you face when trying to decorate or organize your outdoor space? Why is layered lighting important around fire pit seating? Lighting completely transforms the mood of an outdoor entertaining area after sunset. String lights create a magical glow that instantly makes the space feel more inviting. Lanterns and pathway lighting improve both safety and visual appeal around the seating area. Soft, warm lighting complements the natural flicker of the fire beautifully. Layered lighting also highlights outdoor furniture and decorative elements effectively. Even a simple backyard can feel luxurious with the right lighting combination. The perfect lighting setup makes guests want to stay outside for hours. Which type of lighting makes an outdoor space feel the most relaxing and beautiful to you? How can natural materials make fire pit seating feel more inviting? Natural materials help outdoor spaces blend beautifully with the surrounding environment. Wood seating creates warmth and timeless character around the fire pit area. Stone benches and gravel pathways add texture and durability to the design. Rattan and wicker furniture introduce softness while maintaining a relaxed outdoor vibe. Combining natural elements with greenery creates a peaceful, retreat-like atmosphere. These materials also age beautifully and often require minimal maintenance. Nature-inspired designs make outdoor entertaining spaces feel calm, organic, and welcoming. Would you rather decorate your outdoor space with natural, earthy tones or bold, modern colors? Creating the perfect fire pit seating area is not about having the biggest backyard or the most expensive furniture. It is about designing a space where people feel relaxed, connected, and comfortable. From budget-friendly benches to luxurious outdoor sectionals, every setup can become warm and inviting with the right details. Circular layouts encourage conversation, layered lighting adds ambiance, and cozy textures make guests want to stay longer. Even small outdoor spaces can feel stylish and functional when seating is planned thoughtfully. The beauty of fire pit entertaining comes from the atmosphere you create around the flames. Now you have plenty of inspiration to transform your backyard into a cozy retreat that feels welcoming in every season.